let's see the types of data. We have two types, the qualitative and the quantitative. All right, so for the qualitative, we have the ordinal, the nominal. That's ordinal means the ordered ones. Yes, while the nominal means the non-ordered ones. Yeah, how do I explain this better? Let's take, for instance, ordered ones are the ones you have on tables. They are ordered. While the disordered ones are like your phone call, your voice when you talk. Then a quantitative data type. We have the continuous and the discrete. Example of continuous is distance, and a example of discrete is cut. All right, so those are the data types. Let's move to the next one. Before we move on, we've been talking about data. What is data? What do you think data is? So data simply is the unprocessed information. So when I am talking, that's data. I make a sound, that's data. I am writing, that's data. In fact, everything in the world is data. Yes. So with this information, with this thing, they are all raw. When you get them, they are raw. This is when you process it, it becomes an information. Do you understand? So that's simply what data is. Data is almost everything. The sound you make, the words you make, the things you write, the numbers you write, everything is data. I can't start explaining, breaking this down. Just know that everything in the world is data. Let's see qualitative data. Qualitative data is non-numerical and descriptive, capturing the qualities and characteristics of the subject. It improves insight into the underlying reasons, opinions, and motivation. Before I continue, you can pause this video if you have to go through the slide. All right, pause the video and wait through the slide before you continue watching, if that's okay by you. So, what are the characteristics of qualitative data? They are descriptive in nature. Qualitative data is often textual or visual, such as interviews, open-ended survey, responses, photographs, and videos. Number two, they are subjective. It captures the subjective experiences and perspectives of individuals, making it rich in detail but harder to measure and compare. Number three, contextual understanding. This type of data helps understand the context and meaning behind behaviors, thoughts, and experiences. So these are the characteristics of qualitative data. Now let's see quantitative data. This is my best because this has to do with numbers. So quantitative data is numerical, enabling measurement and statistical analysis. It provides quantifiable insights and allows for comparison and hypothesis testing. What are the characteristics of quantitative data? Numerical in nature. Yes, usually they are numbers. They consist of numbers that can be subjected to mathematical operations. Yes. Number two, they are objective. It is more objective and can be consistently measured and analyzed. Of course, for analysis, you need numbers. So, statistical in nature enables the use of statistical tools to identify trends, relationship, and differences. Yes. So when you get in, you start working on things like mean, median, to find the mean values, the average. Of course, you know what that is. To find the average and also the mode, what occurs more. All right. So these are parts of quantitative data. Types of quantitative data. We have the discrete data, countable data that can take specific values. Discrete data means they are countable. You can count them. The continuous data are uncountable. Data that can take any value within any range, like height, weight, or temperature. Right? So these are continuous data.